Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about the new features of Filmora 13 and explore how they can revolutionize your video editing process. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the AI sticker generator. This feature allows you to easily create high-quality custom stickers. Just describe your sticker ideas and let AI unlock new possibilities for self-expression, branding, and creative projects. Let me show you how it works. Open Filmora, navigate to the stickers, and click on AI stickers. Describe the sticker you want to generate, and then click on Generate. Within seconds, Filmora generates the sticker. Next, we have the voice changer feature. Whether you want to add a fun twist to your audio or create unique characters, the voice changer has got you covered. Let me show you how it works. Simply add your video to the main timeline, select the clip, navigate to the audio section, and click on Voice Changer. Here we have voice filters and voice characters. Click on the filter you want to use to change the voice.
Hey viewers, today I'm going
To change the voice character, click on Voice Character and select the character.
Hey viewers, today I am going to show you how to create text with a long
Next up, we have the audio-driven text feature. This one is perfect for creating engaging text animations that sync with your audio. To do that, simply add your video to the main timeline, navigate to the title section, and click on Audio-Driven Text. Under the title template, select the template and add it to the main timeline. Edit your text and change the preset. Here we have the result. Finally, let's talk about the Influence Kit. It's a collection of presets, templates, and effects designed to help you create stunning videos with ease. Let me show you how to use this. On Filmora's home screen, navigate to the Influence Kit in the Media section and click on Start Creating. Here we have multiple intro templates. Select the template and click on Start Creating. Edit your text and click on Finish. Here we have the result. To make the animation for your logo, click on Brand Transition and Logo Reveal. Here we have multiple templates. Select the template and click on Start Creating. Add your logo, edit your text, and then click on Finish. Here we have the results. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips and tricks.